In nature, color is sometimes used to confuse, to make objects less visible, and sometimes to make objects stand out from their surroundings. Its workaday purpose is similar. How drab our world would be if it were not for color. The attention value of color is used as a safety factor. Green and yellow and red. Red is for danger, for firefighting equipment and its location. Stop buttons for machines and all danger signs. Yellow is for caution. Because of its exceptional visibility, it is recommended for overhead mobile cranes and hooks, or for giving prominence to dangerous projections. It warns against stumbling or tripping hazards. But yellow, like all colors, is to be used with restraint. Too much, and no one will take any notice at all. Green is for safety, and safety aids. It also marks the way to be sure rather than sorry. If trouble comes, then green is the sign, and everything is in readiness. In most workshops, the machine casing and work or focal area are of the same overall monotonous tone. Because eye strain is inevitable, inaccuracy and spoilage may be unnecessarily high. Static green goes to work on the machine casing, which is now pushed into the background. Definition at the work area, though better, can still be greatly improved. Seeing is now easy. Eye tiredness will be substantially reduced. Better work should result. From theory to practice. In this workshop, there is an absence of contrast between the focal area and the nondescript grey of the background. Dirty walls and ceilings, unpainted for years, discourage interest in tidiness. Efforts at order and cleanliness become half-hearted. Nothing has been done to make seeing easier. Now let's see what color can do in this workshop. All machine controls are emphasized by using orange paint. The machine has now been considered as a complete unit. Critical areas stand out well from the static green of the non-critical parts. Static buff isolates the working area, providing a clearly defined background for the material handled. Eye fatigue will be much diminished. Walls have been considered in relation to the machines. The same general tones prevent violent eye adjustments. Cross bracings are now unobtrusive and appear to recede into the roof area. Traffic lines provide a clear path for trolleys and trucks. The workshop's overall appearance is now light, clean and orderly, and safe for the men who work there. Let's look back and see this workshop before the transformation. Gloomy surroundings do not inspire efficiency. They sap the springs of pride. They may provide a breeding ground for slackness. Spick and span brightness, however, is immediately reflected in the changed attitude of the men to their jobs. It inspires cheerfulness, encourages cleanliness, and develops pride. It provides a real incentive to mental alertness. In restrooms and canteens, gayer colors than those of the workroom are used. They help to revive and relax. Vivid touches entertain the eye. Working with color, there is always light, both natural and artificial. If artificial light is used, it should come from the direction of natural light. Sharp lighting contrasts are to be avoided, for they only try the eyes. The essential factor is sufficient light, evenly distributed. It can be readily seen that the amount of light required in a factory is considerably reduced when color planning has been implemented. It has also been found that there has been a sharp reduction in the accident rate. But take care, color uses are so complicated. It is best to consult an architect and also an engineer. They are trained to avoid costly errors. To summarize, beware of danger and use colors for safety. Then for speed and ease. To aid efficiency and clean, accurate production. And finally, to make working life enjoyable.